Welcome to our workshop, guys. Let me show you what we are doing here. We're making here closed cockpit to this bike. It's a special form, it's a mold for vacuum forming process. We're gonna put it on this table. You can see the vacuum pump and the reservoirs, and we have to get result something like this. Here you can see heat chamber. We're going to heat up this polycarbonate plate. From the first time you can see the result. It's a big follower. I hope the second try going to be better. So we're going to heat it up, put above this form, pump out all air, and so we get the same shape as this. And we get transparent cockpit to this bike. This is really interesting project for me. We are so hard working every day. We are in hurry actually, because in 25th May there are a big event from our sponsor, HBM Machines, and this bike must be ready in time. The HBM Tool Fest is here, a month-long celebration for tool lovers. This May I'm taking on a special challenge from HBM Machines, and you can watch the progress right here on my channel. Our workshop is loaded with HBM tools, and they are offering incredible deals all month. So get ready to start your own project and experience the joy of building. Share your own creations on Facebook or Instagram with hashtag HBM Tool Fest and inspire others. So I will be there on that party with my project with other influencers on Saturday, May 25th, 9 o'clock. And I invite you personally, guys, so we can see there each other in real life, make some pictures, selfies. It will be fun. So see you there, guys. Bye bye.